Okay, this is Mike. You want to know what I'm doing today? Well, I'm walking through the washroom and I am washing my clothes. The sweet weed. And I'm going to go back in the kitchen and wash up the dishes. See, I got to jump on. Oh, there's a picture of me on the wall right there. There's a picture right there with a few politicians right there in Memphis back in the 70s. And that's what I was trying to sing. And I got to jump on the folks there. I got my paper towels. And, like I said, it's a washroom. Little junkie. Kick that back in. That's why you do it. And you got paper towels and toilet paper. Over this joint here, water, and up in here, got more toilet paper, paper towel, and water, and over here, we got water. We got two or 3 miles left on this one, so what I'm gonna do, and just sit it right here and put it in the refrigerator right down here with my Pepsi and like I said earlier, I want everything, and I'm gonna clean this thing out. Every now and then I get a little junky. She's sweet angel, my wife, she be busy doing other things. And things get a little junky, so I just told her if she don't mind. Unless she working in here, just stay out of my kitchen. Cause I run everything, the washer, the dryer, the washing machine. And now, I'm going to fill up the dish. I might do it on wash these dishes and then rinse them in the dishwasher because she get a little water build up. Like I said, I love. And then I'm going to make me some coffee. See, I got to do a lot of straightening up around here. So, just bear with me. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get my coffee going. Then